I feel like this is not much of an accomplishment, but it sounds like it is. So the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, when it did go up for sale, it sold out in 10 minutes. And it's also kind of funny because I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of things in the past, like a 4090, for example, or a 3090, right? Actually, let's go back to a 3090. 3090, good example of this. When a 3090 hit store shelves, that thing sold out within milliseconds, mainly because of bots, but that thing sold out within milliseconds. Same thing with any of the, 3000 series graphics cards, and even the 4000 series a little bit. 3000 series was a lot better because price for performance was amazing. But that thing sold out within milliseconds of hitting the market, which we already know if you are a tech guy that NVIDIA loves to they don't make enough units for how much the demand is. And that's kind of what we have here with the Z Fold Special Edition, where it's a very limited supply run of this device, and clearly it sold out within seconds, even with a price tag of like $2,000. Which, again, kind of isn't really that of a huge accomplishment. If you release a product in a very limited supply run, right, you give flyers out early, everyone knows about this, this is talked about all over the tech sphere, right, it's going to sell out within seconds. It is. Because it's very, it's very exciting. And again, it's not just people who want to buy this phone just to have this phone, right? Not like that is, there is a little, probably the smallest part possible of the consumer base who bought this phone is people who want the actual phone. A lot of people either want to resell it or they want it for collector's purpose. They want to collect this phone, keep it sealed, keep it in the box, and kind of have a piece of tech history rather than actually try to utilize this phone and use it for its actual purpose of being a cell phone. And when it's a limited supply like this, that's kind of just how it works. So overall wise, again, cool. It sold out within like any product, for the most part, any sort of technology, whether it's a GPU, CPU, phone, whatever, if it's a limited supply run, it's going to sell out within 10 minutes. It should sell out within seconds. I'm actually surprised. I'm actually more disappointed that it took 10 minutes to sell out. Because I feel like this should have been going within milliseconds. And everyone who wanted to buy this phone most likely was on the website, clicking add to cart the second it was available. So, again, like I said, kind of cool, for Samsung, big dubs. But even then, I just still feel like there is a situation where I'm surprised it took so long. I really am. Especially with nowadays, with how many bots. I mean, you could literally, for not much money at all, set up 500,000 bots and have it, programmed to go to different websites and literally give your credit card so you can actually go ahead and buy stuff without you even knowing, just so that you can have it, and just resell it. I mean, it's very easy to set up nowadays. You just put your credit card in, it goes to different sites, it will buy that product the second it's available for MSRP, and done. So, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.